Well, I think at the moment now we have played the test matches. So now the test matches are behind. I think we didn't perform very well because we didn't expect the team to perform so badly. But I think there's always light. The other side of the tunnel. And now I think mostly we will be focusing on the one-day game now. The Champions Trophy coming and then the England series is coming. So I think now, whatever is gone, you cannot recover the past. Now you have to look ahead for the future. Because now you have to play the one-day game. So I think I'm sure we have a very good one-day side. We have some outstanding players in the one-day unit, especially in the T20 and the 50-over game. So hopefully, whatever we have lost in the last 2 or 3 months, we will be able to get back, inshallah, if we win the Champions Trophy. And I have very high hopes that India will definitely go for it.
Captain, we can prepare for the future, but we cannot forget what we have done in our past. So we need to rectify these things. Are you happy with Virat Kohli and Rohit Sharma's performance in the first?
No, I think they didn't perform well, because it happens to the best of the players. But I think they did not perform well. But I think the most important thing was, they kept making the same mistake. That was the most important thing. But then I think I always felt that the team management, whoever the coaches and the batting coaches there, I don't know why they did not say anything, because if you see the mode of dismissals were the same. I can understand if they were getting out in different ways, but I think most of the players were getting out like that. So I think we need to strengthen that department also, because I think we failed as a batting unit, but I think we succeeded. The bowlers really did well. They did a very good job, and I think the difference was like this is only these. Maybe a little bit if we had batted more resiliently, we would have won. So the mistakes what they have made, they have to definitely rectify it. Otherwise, we will have the same problem.
Sir,
Azhar, what is the problem on Rohit and Virat? Being a big brother, what is the tips to you? Is the problem with footwork?
No, yeah, footwork and so many other different things. Because you need to. Sometimes when you are playing, you feel that everything is going well, but then when you are watching from outside, there are so many things which is happening, and I'm sure they would know. The team management will know, the player will also know what is going wrong. But I think sometimes they needed to be told as well.
Sir, people are questioning Gautam Gambhir as coach. Your take on that?
Well, I think it's for the board to decide. The board will decide that. I cannot decide that.
Just 1 minute, Azhar. You told you playing football in your young.
Long back.
Long back. Just.
No, I used to play football. When I was young kid, I was good at running. I used to do athletics also, 100 meters. So that's how I played football. But then, I didn't think I had the skill to continue to play football.
Hyderabad has a great tradition of football.
2 questions to you. That is, you were captain of Team India.
Yes.
Now Team India is going to perform in Champions Trophy.
Yes.
What is your take on India's future in Champions Trophy? My first question. And the last one from my side, that is, you have played 99 tests. Is there any regret to not complete that last one? It could be 100 tests.
No, first question is, I think we have a very good chance of giving a go at the Champions Trophy, because I always have, in the beginning of the interview also I said, we have a very good set of one-day players, who really can do well. White ball players. Because white ball players, so hopefully, I'm looking forward to the Champions Trophy. I think we should win, because I think we won one ICC tournament after a very long time, that's the T20. But I think if we can win this tournament, it will be very, very good. I have a lot of hopes, and I honestly feel that the team will definitely perform well in the shorter format. And the second question is, I don't have any regrets. I think, that was my destiny. I was supposed to play only 99 test matches. I think it's very hard to break that record, 99 test matches, because if somebody reaches 99 test matches, they say, okay, fine, okay, we'll give him one more test match. So I don't regret. I'm very happy with whatever I have done, and I'm thankful to the Almighty Allah for bestowing me upon that talent which I really worked hard, and then results came, and the most important thing was representing the country, and then never thought I would become a captain. So that's an icing on the cake. So I enjoyed my stint.
Sir, last question. Sir, has IPL has changed the current scenario of cricket? Do you think?
Definitely it's changed for a long time. Because things are totally different, now most of the time when a lot of people come and ask me, sir, I want to play IPL. Because I think for me, yes, fine, IPL is good, but at the end of the day, playing for the country is the most important thing for me.
Yes, sir. Okay, thank you.